Okay, here we are, working in the bathroom, doing a little remodeling, and Eddie's using the yellow SnapOn screwdriver, doing a little electrical work. You got that, dude?
I was trying.
There you go. Okay, we're back on. Had a phone call and it interrupted us. Okay, you got it in there? Okay. Hold it in there good. All you have to do, Eddie, is go like this. Now watch what you're doing.
Watch what you're doing.
If it gets tight, you gotta stop. Okay, that's good. That's good on this one.
So
now we're gonna do this bottom one, okay? Gotta get it in there. Hold on. Gotta get it in the screw. Okay.
Do you see that?
Yeah. You getting that right in, man. You're a regular journeyman Sparky.
I'm not a German Sparky either.
Doing this electrical. Nice. Watch what you're doing.
Yeah.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
Now let's do the top one a little bit more. You gotta get in. There you go. Nice. The power is off, so we're using auxiliary lighting here.
Why did the power go off?
I turned it off because we're working on wires.
Why?
Because that's what you do. I think you got it. Is that about it? Is it getting tight?
Yeah. I guess I got it.
That's it. That's tight. Nice, man.
What about that other one?
You want to hit that one a little bit too? Yeah, that one needs a little bit more too. You have to hold it up here, Eddie. Okay, look. Let go a second. Let me see. Well, you turned the ratcheting feature off.
How do I get it back on?
Well, see, Eddie, you turn this.
You just turn it?
Okay, just use her like a regular screwdriver now because you keep turning that, so it's not going to work that way anymore. It's not going to work that way anymore, Eddie. You have to keep turning it because you...
Why is it not gonna work?
Okay, we adjusted the screwdriver and we're back. Okay, the screw's too loose, Eddie, so it won't. You can't put your hand down there. Okay, that's tight.
Did I get it right?
Yeah. That's it. It's tight.
What about the other one?
That's it. You got them all. You did all four of them. Nice job, man.
What are you gonna have to do with the bathroom?
We're remodeling it, Eddie.
Why?
Because to make it better. Nicer.